welcome back to my channel. It's me Jayeeta, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Jayeeta. So guys, as you can see by the title that my today's video is going to be a Miniso haul video, and this is my first ever Miniso haul. I have never tried any product from Miniso before, but I really wanted to give it a try because I have seen a lot of YouTubers talking about these products, that how much these are useful, fancy, cute, and these are also very good quality as well as affordable too. So I have got some few Miniso products here, like sheet mask, perfume, bags, and so many other interesting things. And now if you are someone who don't know much about Miniso, then let me introduce you that Miniso is a Japanese style variety store offering a wide range of selected goods, especially for the youth of today. And one more thing, that if you don't have any Miniso store in your city, then don't worry, because you can buy all these items from the online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So yeah, without further any more delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first item that I have got from Miniso is this set of sheet mask. So here it is. I have total 6 pieces of sheet mask. Let me open it, and then I'm going to show you one by one. So the first one is this papaya sheet mask. Then I have the cucumber one. Then I have the aloe vera. Then the seaweed sheet mask. Then the last, the second last is the honey sheet mask, and the last one is the rice sheet mask. I'm really excited to try out this all these products. And probably I'm gonna share all these sheet masks with my parents also, and I'm sure that they will be also loving to use these masks. And this is how all these masks are looking like. And so yeah. And basically each sheet mask is priced at ₹60, and I have total 6 pieces of this mask. So the total price is 6 into 60, that means 360 rupees. Then the next item that I have is this छोटू सा cute सी color की एक beauty blender. Let me open this, otherwise you can see the actual color. So this is how it looks like. I'm really excited to try this out because this is so soft, and I think this will be working so good while I do my makeup. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this out. And the price of this product is, let me check. So this is for 260 rupees. I just love this product. Then the next product that I have is a very interesting and again a very useful product. Also this is looking very cute, is this makeup brush cleaner. Let me open this. I have already opened this, but let me show you. So this is the product, how it is looking like. So this is basically a makeup brush cleaner. Suppose you have a dirty makeup brush. Let me show you. Suppose you have this kind of dirty makeup brush and you have to wash it very nicely. Then you can, what you can do is इसको पहले पानी में भिगो कर रखना है, like शैम्पू वाटर में. Then आपको बस ऐसे ऐसे करनी है, and ऐसे ऐसे करने से आपका जो मेकअप ब्रश है वो अच्छी तरह से क्लीन हो जाएगा. So this is again a very useful product, especially for those girls who are just loving makeup, because they really need to wash their brush because of all the hygienic reason. So this is the product. इसको यूज करके आप अपनी मेकअप ब्रश को अच्छी तरह से क्लीन कर सकते हो. And this product is priced at ₹140. And also this is not a harsh product. बहुत ही soft है. इसकी क्वालिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So you can definitely आपके जो सारे brushes है, like small to bigger brush, जो भी brushes आपके पास है इसको यूज करके आप उन सारे brushes को क्लीन कर सकते हो. Then next I have again a very useful item, which is a pouch. Now look at this pouch. How cute is this? This is a pastel yellow color and इसमें आप बहुत कुछ कैरी कर सकते हो. लाइक आप कहीं पर ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो आप इसमें अपना जो कैश है वो रख सकते हो. यू कैन पुट ऑल योर कैश, ऑल योर कार्ड, सैनिटाइजर, हैंड क्रीम, हैंडकरचीफ or any type of your useful things. You can carry all these things in it. So this is, and जो zip है, zip का quality भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है and you can see. So this is how the products is looking like. इसमें बहुत सारा place है इसके अंदर, you can see, and these is really of very good quality. काफ़ी ज़्यादा handy है. So yeah. And this is priced at rupees 250.
I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could.
Then the next item that I have is this perfume by Miniso. The name of this product is the Miniso Cityscape EDT series Melbourne Pink Lake perfume. And इसकी जो fragrance है मैं क्या बताऊँ, this is so damn good. Like this is also very inexpensive product because this is priced at only rupees 460, but it smells like, oh my god, a really high end perfume. And if you love floral kind of feminine perfumes, then it is for you. And the perfume lasts for at least 3 to 4 hours minimum. This is minimum. उससे ज़्यादा भी last कर सकता है. And now I'm going to show you how this is looking. So this is the perfume. देखो कितना ज़्यादा शीक पैकेजिंग है इसकी. देखने से ही एक्सपेंसिव लगता है लेकिन क्वालिटी वाइज तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बोला. एंड द फ्रेगनेंस इज जस्ट ऑसम. So refreshing, so floralish kind of scent, but not too much strong. It has a very mild, feminine and floral kind of smell, which I really like about this product. देन हमारा नेक्स्ट जो प्रोडक्ट है उसको ओपन करते ही ना हमारा जो घर है उसका माहौल को चेंज हो जाता है एंड आपको अंदर से एक शांति मिलेगी. आई एम श्योर बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स नाइस हेवनली फ्रेगनेंस. एंड दिस इज नॉट अ परफ्यूम, दिस इज द वन पीस सेंटेड कैंडल फ्रॉम मिनीसो. सो दिस इज द मिनीसो एलिगेंट सीरीज सेंटेड कैंडल एंड इसमें मेरा जो फ्लेवर है वो है प्योर जैस्मिन. एंड देखो यहाँ पर एक ट्राई ऑन थिंग्स भी दिया गया है. अगर आप इसको स्टोर से खरीद रहे हो तो आप यहाँ से इसकी जो फ्रेगनेंस है उसको ट्राई करके फिर उसके बाद आप इसको परचेस कर सकते हो. एंड दिस ब्यूटिफुल आइटम इज प्राइस्ड एट रुपीज ओनली 190. दिस इज हाउ द इनर प्रोडक्ट्स इज लुकिंग लाइक. Isn't it so elegant and sophisticated? It has the power to refresh your mind and you can place it anywhere you want to, like your bedroom or your bathroom or your living room, but make sure the place should be a non-ventilated place. And also जो burning time दिया गया है इस product की, which is 36 hours, that means very long. Although I haven't tried it out, but I'm definitely gonna give it a try very soon, and I will be giving all the updates after trying all these products on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, then you should follow me there. My Instagram handle is its_me_Jayeeta. Then again I have few of candles, but this is not a single piece candle. This is a set of decorative candles. This is basically used for decoration purpose, and I have this set of decorative candles in the flavor lavender. So it is also scented, and let me show you. This is how one piece is looking like. Let me show you the another one. This is how cute is this. I'm definitely gonna use this for my living room decoration. This sets of decorative candles is priced at rupees 170, which is again also very affordable for such good products.
I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could.
Then the next item that I have, which is बड़े ही काम के चीज, which is this multifunctional manicure kit. It has 2 nail cutters, 1 scissors, 1 tweezers, 1 filer and 1 cuticle pusher. तो इससे बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो आप. मैनिक्योर कर सकते हो, पेडिक्योर कर सकते हो, आप अपना आईब्रो को शेप दे सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ट्विजर एंड सीजर. सो ये बड़े ही काम का चीज है एंड दिस इज प्राइस्ड एट रुपीज 290 फॉर ऑल दिस टोटल एंटायर सेट. इसको मैं पहले ओपन करती हूँ, देन आपको दिखाती हूँ. वाओ, सो इसमें एक केस भी है. देखो ये कितना ज्यादा ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है क्योंकि इसमें एक केस दिया गया है. देख सकते हो आप, एक छोटू सा बहुत ही क्यूट सा केस जिसको आप सपोज यू आर ट्रैवलिंग एनीवेयर, देन यू कैन कैरी इट इन योर पर्स और इन योर बैग एंड दिस इज वेरी हैंडी, वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. एंड इसको बस ऐसे प्रेस करने से ये क्लोज हो जाता है एंड ओपन करने के टाइम इसको बस ऐसे प्रेस करनी है एंड देखो ये ओपन हो जाता है. दिस इज द मैनिक्योर किट. बड़े ही काम की चीज़ है बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं अपनी मैनिक्योर एंड पेडिक्योर जो भी है वो घर में ही करती हूँ. मैं सैलून या फिर पार्लर ज़्यादा नहीं जाती हूँ. The next item that I have, which is very useful things for our daily life because especially of this corona situation and all of that, which is hand wash. तो इसको मैंने already open की है and इसको अभी नहीं की है. So this is 2 hand wash that I have. ये lavender flavor की है and each of the hand wash की जो net content है which is 470 ml and which is priced at rupees 160 only. देखो कोरोना से पहले भी हम लोग हैंड वॉश यूज करते थे लेकिन उतना ज़्यादा नहीं करते थे जबकि हम अभी कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर द कोरोना सिचुएशन हैंड वॉश बिकम अ मोस्ट एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ अवर डेली लाइफ, यू नो. एंड मुझे तो यही लगता है एंड यू शुड डेफिनेटली इन्वेस्ट इन अ गुड हैंड वॉश नाउ क्योंकि इसको यूज़ करने के बाद आपके जो हैंड है वो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट एंड जेंटल रहेगा एंड बिल्कुल भी ड्राई नहीं होगा. And I can assure you because I have already tried this one. So yeah, this is also a must-have product. Then I have the last item from this entire haul, which is none other than this beautiful, elegant and sophisticated crossbody sling bag, which is in the pastel pink color. And you can see there is chain and a silk scarf design. So this is how the bag is looking like. So beautiful it is, and you can also use this long belt with any kind of dresses or any kind of Indian or Western outfits. It will look so stylish on you. And now I'm just wondering that how pretty is this one, especially all the scarf and chain detailing. एंड इसमें एक मैग्नेटिक लॉक दिया गया है एंड इसके अंदर कोई भी जिप नहीं है बट देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेस इन द बैग so that you can put a lot of essential things in this bag. This is very good. So yeah, that is it for today's video. video, guys. I hope you enjoyed a lot while watching this video. And if you really like this, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also you can subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get notified while I upload a new video on YouTube. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is its_me_Jayeeta. सारे के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पर जरूर मेंशन कर दूंगी सो दैट यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. एंड अगर आप इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद कुछ भी परचेस कर रहे हो देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू शो मी दैट. यू कैन शो मी दैट ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज जो कि मैंने पहले भी बता दी है. फिर वंस अगेन its_me_Jayeeta. So yeah, I will be back with my new video and new concepts and new ideas. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay safe. Love you and bye-bye.